Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can set the calendar all day events alert times on the Samsung Galaxy S22 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen, and from the home screen swipe up to go into the app screen, and in here open up the calendar app. Next, tap on the menu key at the top, and from the pop out menu tap on the settings icon. Next, in here, go down and tap on alert times, then tap on all day events. In here, you can choose no alert for all the events, day of event at 9 a.m. or day before the event at 5 p.m. Now this is the default, or you can set 2 days before event at 9 a.m. or you can customize. So 1 day before, and perhaps say at 4 p.m. and then tap on the back key, and you can see here day before event at 4 p.m. and that's it. That is how you can set the calendar all day events alert times on the Samsung Galaxy S22 series. And now if I tap on the add button, and if I choose this event is an all day event, you can see here the default alert time is the day before event at 4 p.m. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.